Hello friends, in today's video we are preparing a quick breakfast or dinner with just a few ingredients, and it can be made either sweet or savory. In a mixing bowl we will sift 600 grams of all-purpose flour. Measure out 400 milliliters of boiling water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and stir. Pour the hot water into the sifted flour and mix everything together. Then pour in 5 tablespoons of oil and continue mixing. When the dough becomes firm enough, we knead it by hand. The dough is still quite soft, so we will add another 2 to 3 pinches of flour. We take the dough out onto the work surface and knead it further. Once kneaded, it looks like this. We divide the dough into 12 roughly equal parts. We will further shape each of these dough parts into balls. Once we've shaped the last ball, we sprinkle them lightly with flour. Then cover them with a plastic bag, and on top of that, a cloth, and let them rest for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, press the channel follow button, and then the notification bell to receive updates when we release a new video. After about 10 minutes, we will shape each of these balls into a circle. This is roughly the size of a hand. And place it next to you. Do the same with all 12 pieces of dough. Once we flatten all these rounds, we arrange them on the work surface and let them rest while we heat up the skillet on medium heat. Once the skillet is heated to medium temperature, place the first ball that you rolled out to cook. Let it cook like this for a minute and a half, then flip. Be careful that the heat isn't too high, because if it's too high, they will burn and won't puff up. They don't need to puff up, but if they do, it'll be even better. We will brush this with a melted butter or margarine. You can use olive oil as well.